Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get Oxygen Executor. First, it's crucial to navigate directly to the official and verified website. This step is paramount to ensure you download legitimate software and avoid potential security risks from unofficial sources. Always double-check the URL for authenticity. Before proceeding, quickly review the system requirements listed on the site. Typically, you'll need a modern operating system and at least 4 GB of RAM for smooth operation. This initial verification saves a lot of. Once on the official site, find the prominent download link for the most recent stable version. It's often clearly labeled. Sometimes, your antivirus software might flag the download. You may need to temporarily disable it for a few moments to complete the download successfully. After downloading, it's a good practice to verify the file's integrity. Look for a provided checksum, like an SHA-256 hash, and compare it with your downloaded file to ensure it hasn't been tampered with during transit. This adds an extra layer of security. Beyond rewards, this card offers significant travel and lifestyle perks. Cardholders enjoy 6 complimentary visits annually to select Plaza Premium lounges in major airports like Kuala Lumpur, Hong Kong, and Singapore. You also gain peace of mind with complimentary travel insurance when you charge your travel to the card. Plus, unlock exclusive discounts on dining, shopping, and hotel stays around the world. After successful installation, launch the Oxygen Executor application. The first launch might involve a brief initial setup, such as acquiring a key or performing an update. Follow any on-screen instructions carefully to complete these steps. Take a few moments to explore the user interface. Understand where key features are located, like the script editor or execution panel. Many users find watching a quick tutorial video helpful to grasp the basics within the first 10 minutes of use. Enjoy exploring its capabilities responsibly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.